On March 15th, the Middle East witnessed a dramatic escalation. Iran reportedly launched one of its most advanced ballistic weapons, the Sejjil-2 missile, a weapon military analysts often call the dancing missile. Unlike traditional ballistic missiles that follow predictable paths, this missile can maneuver during flight, making it far harder to intercept. With a range of nearly 2,000 kilometers, the Sejjil-2 can strike targets across the entire Middle East, including Israel, from deep inside Iranian territory. But what exactly is this missile? Why is it called the dancing missile? And why does it worry military planners around the world? Let's break it down. The Sejjil-2 is a medium-range ballistic missile developed by Iran as part of its long-range deterrence program. It is a two-stage missile powered by solid rocket fuel, which is a major technological improvement compared to older missiles that used liquid fuel. Why does this matter? Liquid fuel missiles require long preparation times before launch, but solid fuel missiles like the Sejjil-2 can be launched much faster, sometimes within minutes. This makes them extremely difficult for enemies to destroy before launch. The Sejjil program reportedly began in the 1990s, with the first successful test launches taking place in 2008 and 2009. Since then, it has become one of the most powerful weapons in Iran's missile arsenal. The Sejjil-2 gained the nickname Dancing Missile because of its maneuverability during flight. Most ballistic missiles follow a predictable arc launch, climb into space, then descend toward the target. But the Sejjil-2 can adjust its trajectory at high altitude, performing subtle movements that make interception extremely difficult. These movements confuse radar systems and missile interceptors. Air defense systems such as Israel's Iron Dome, Arrow, or Patriot rely on predicting a missile's path. But if the missile dances or shifts direction in flight, intercepting it becomes much harder. This is why analysts consider the Sejjil-2 a major advancement in Iran's missile technology. Here are the key technical details of the Sejjil-2 missile. Type: medium-range ballistic missile. Range: approximately 2,000 to 2,500 kilometers. Payload: around 700 to 1,000 kilograms. Length: about 18 meters. Weight: around 23,600 kilograms. Propulsion: two-stage solid rocket fuel. At its peak flight, the missile travels at hypersonic ballistic speeds, far faster than the speed of sound. This combination of speed, range, and maneuverability makes it one of the most formidable missiles in Iran's arsenal. The operation of the Sejjil-2 missile can be divided into three phases. 1. Launch phase. The missile is launched from a mobile transporter erector launcher, often mounted on a heavy military truck. Once fired, the first stage rocket booster ignites, pushing the missile into the upper atmosphere. 2. Mid-course phase. After the first stage burns out, the second stage motor ignites, propelling the missile even faster. During this stage, the missile may perform small trajectory adjustments, which is why it is called the dancing missile. 3. Terminal phase. In the final phase, the warhead separates and descends toward the target at extremely high speeds. At this point, interception becomes extremely difficult due to the velocity and unpredictable movement. Iran developed the Sejjil missile as part of its strategic deterrence doctrine. The missile's range allows it to strike targets across the Middle East, including Israel and U.S. military bases in the Gulf, and strategic infrastructure across the region, with a range of about 2,000 kilometers. The missile can reach most regional adversaries from inside Iran's borders. This gives Iran the ability to project power without relying on overseas bases or long-range aircraft. According to reports, Iran launched the Sejjil-2 missile on Sunday as part of a new wave of strikes targeting Israeli and U.S.-linked positions. This marked the first time the Sejjil missile has been used in the current war, which began in late February 2026. The use of such a high-end missile represents a significant escalation. Analysts say deploying this weapon signals that Iran is willing to use some of its most advanced strategic missiles in active combat. And that raises serious concerns about how the conflict could evolve. Weapons like the Sejjil-2 could change the dynamics of modern warfare, because they are fast, hard to intercept, quick to launch. If launched in large numbers, such missiles could potentially overwhelm even advanced air defense systems. This is why ballistic missile defense has become one of the most critical challenges in modern military strategy. The Sejjil-2 dancing missile represents a new generation of Iranian strategic weapons. With long-range, rapid launch capability and maneuverability designed to evade defenses, it stands as one of the most powerful missiles in the Middle East. And as tensions in the region continue to rise, the world may hear the name Sejjil-2 much more often. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video about the military technology, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos about the military technologies shaping modern warfare.